Hi, this is Abby from NewTech, and this is 80-inch interactive touch film. And now I will show you how to connect all the parts together. This is PCBA board for touch film, and this side is face down. And you should connect them together like this. Open the white part and insert it and close the white part. And please remember, this side needs face down. Okay, the final step. Connect USB cable with PCBA board and your Android device or Windows device. This is USB interface. We connected in our computer with our computer.